Hello, this is Nas Babar from NB Network Lessons, your captain, today with IPv6 subnetting. Hope you all are doing okay. I'm really excited about this IPv subnetting, and I hope that you learn and grow from that. I'm going to try to simplify it, and I'm going to, as you can see, my board is basically blank. So I'm going to start from the beginning and go step by step and simplify it, and hopefully it'll make sense to you. So your boss wants you to go to ISP, Internet Service Provider, and get an IPv6 address. So you go to ISP and you get this address, 2000 A1111000/48. Okay. Now let me just say that why is this /48? Because that's how you are presented with the IPv6 subnet by ISPs. These are all hexadecimal numbers. Each hexadecimal number has 4 bits. So 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 16, 32 plus 16, 32. So that's how we get to 48. All right. So now the boss's requirement is that I need 8 subnets out of that. Now we're going to go over this and see how we get the 8 subnets, and I'm going to try to do it in a simplified fashion, step by step. Before I do that, let me just kind of recap. This part right here is provided by INA, okay, which is Internet Authority Number, Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. This part right here is RIR, which is Regional Internet Registry. And this part right here is provided to you by ISP. So they provided you 1000. If there is another customer, they can provide them with 2000, 3000, another customer, and so forth. Okay, so now let's go ahead and dive into subnetting. So as you know that these 2 colons right here have implicit 4 hexadecimal numbers, right? Now these 4 hexadecimal numbers, each hexadecimal number has 4 bits in binary form. So I can do like this. I can say 0, 0, 0, 0. I can say 0, 0, 0, 0. I can say 0, 0, 0, 0, and I can say 0, 0, 0, 0. All right. Each hexadecimal number has 4 bits. Now, if you want to convert the binary numbers into decimal numbers, you remember this. We have 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. So now we need 8 subnets. So what we do is that we start from the leftmost binary numbers and we say, okay, we need 8 subnets. We start 2, 4, 8, and we stop right here. What does that mean? That means that I'm going to draw a line right here. That means I'm going to play only with these 3 bits to get the subnet we need. Okay. So now one thing is that let's go ahead and see if we can come up with the first subnet. Okay. I'm allowed to play with only these zeros. So let's say we have 0, 0, 0. All right. And then the top I'll put 8, 4, 2, because these are the only 3 bits I'm allowed to play with. So then my first subnet is going to be 2000 A111 1000 colon 0, 0, 0, 0. And then what is going to be my mask? Any guesses? 48 is the current mask. So I added 3 bits. 49, 50, 51. So it's going to become 51. So this is my first subnet. Let's go ahead and move on to the second subnet. So we have 0, 0, 0. We make this 1. Now this is 2, 4, 8. All right. So then my second subnet becomes 2000 A111 1000 2000 is my second subnet. All right. I'm just playing with these 3 bits right here. Let's look at the next one. So next one is going to be 0, 1, 0. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here, so it means it's the same thing. And the subnet is going to be 4000. All right. I'm just playing with these 3 binary bits. So let's go ahead and look at the next one. 0, 1, 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And we'll put 6051. So how many subnets we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Next subnet is going to be 1, 0, 0, which is going to be, just keep going, and we have 8000 / 51. All right. What's going to be the next subnet? 1, 0, 1, which is 10, right? Now, remember that we're dealing with IPv6, so we're dealing with hexadecimal numbers. So this is going to become A 0, 0, 0, 51. Okay, let's keep going because we don't have 8 subnets yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need 2 more. So we got 10. Now we need 1, 1, 0. Same thing. Keep going. C. Why C? Because if you look in there, 8, 4, 12. And in hex, 12 is C. Okay, keep going. Now we have, let's see, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1. 8 plus 4 plus 2, 12, 13, 14. So we keep on going like this. 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is my final. So what's the hex for 14? E. So this is going to be E00 / 51. So here you go, my friends. These are the 8 subnets: 1000, 0, 2000, 4000, 6000, 8000, A, C, and E in form of IPv6 8 subnets. Now you can go to your manager or your boss and say, here you go, have fun with it. Thank you so much for listening to this lecture. If you like the contents of this, go ahead and give me a like, and I will come back with one more practice session for IPv6 subnetting. Till next time, thank you.